How to enable developers mode on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps and how you can easily enable developers mode on iPhone. Well, the process is simple. All you gotta do is simply open up settings first. Once you open up settings, you want to scroll down until you find the option privacy and security. You're going to tap on it. Once you tap on it, now scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see at the bottom under security, stolen device protection and locked on mode. Unfortunately in my device there is no developers mode, but you should be able to get the developers mode option here. Now here is why you're not getting the developers mode. If you're trying to enable developers mode on your iPhone and it is not appearing in settings, privacy and security, then you will likely need to connect your iPhone to a Mac with Xcode and attempt to run an app from Xcode on the device first. This process triggers the developers mode option to appear. So you want to first plug your iPhone into Mac and open Xcode, then choose your iPhone as the run destination in Xcode and attempt to run an app from Xcode on the device. If a dialog appears starting the device needs to opt into developers mode, click cancel. Then open privacy and security settings on the device and you should be able to see the developers mode option. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.